how to move Steam games in 2024. So here I've just opened up the Steam client, and what we want to do is click on Steam here in the top left corner and then go to settings. From the settings we want to navigate to storage, and the first thing that we will need to do is actually set up a new drive if we don't already have one. So click on your current or default drive here and choose the option to add drive. Now here it will automatically detect your secondary drive, and just click on add. And basically what that's going to do now is allow us to actually move the games. So for example, if I want to move this game, I'll simply check it like so, mark it, and then click on move. Here it will give me an option to move it to the local drive which I just created. And if I confirm to actually move this, then it will move the content from my D drive to my C drive in this case. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.